I'm here at 90 Commercial Street for the Early Childhood Literacy Night. This is an event this is actually the 19th fair. This is but my first one, and it's a chance for parents to come in to get some information about early childhood providers in the city, as well as some information on kindergarten registration or the preschool lottery. There's also lots of games for parents to play with their children, a story walk, and some characters that are dressed up and walking around, and it's a fun night for families.
We have the honor of taking care of children in all the Lynn public schools. We come to this event because we really believe that good oral health and reading skills go together. And in fact, one of the things we're promoting is a program called Brush, Book, and Bed. First you brush their teeth, or they brush with you. Then you have a book or two, and then it's bedtime. The 3 Bs: brush, book, bed.
Hi, I'm Adriana. I've been coming for 2 years, and I love coming here. It's really fun for me and my child. He loves it. It's fun for the kids to play around and learn a lot of new things in life or in general.